Hey guys, welcome in this new video. I hope that all of you are doing great. In this video, I want to talk about haters, alright? So people who hate on you, people who judge you, people who laugh at you. I've been through this myself a lot. At the beginning of my journey, a lot of people did not believe in me. A lot of people never thought I would eventually reach my goals of, becoming a great trader and things like that. And it was really hard sometimes, to deal with this. But I kind of want to share with you guys my perspective on haters and what basically I've applied in my life to kind of deal with these people, right? And how I've been able to manage this whole situation and eventually overcome this. So what is really important for you guys to understand is, first of all, why are people even hating in the first place, right? Because that doesn't make any sense when you really think about it, right? Like, if you are trying to improve yourself, right, or improve your situation, why people would hate on this, that doesn't make a lot of sense. Well, actually, if you really think about it, what you will find is that it makes a lot of people feel uncomfortable, right? So if you are trying to improve yourself, and if you are around people who don't want to improve themselves and who don't want to create a better future for them, well, it makes them feel uncomfortable, right? Because they look at you, they look at what you're doing, they look at, all the work that you are putting in, and then they're like, oh, I'm not doing this myself. So it makes them feel uncomfortable, and because of that, they have a tendency to hate on you or to judge you or to talk behind your back and all of these things, But you guys need to understand that, they're not doing this, I think, for the most part, to really just, downgrade you. Like, it's not their goal, it's just that it makes them feel uncomfortable. So you need to be empathetic towards them, right? You need to understand that if someone is taking their own time to hate on you or to judge you, they probably don't have a great life, Like, they're probably not very happy with their life and with what they're doing on the day-to-day basis, right? Otherwise, they will not do this, right? So you will never find someone who is doing better than you who will hate on you, All the people that I consider to be my mentors, they never laughed at me or they never judged me or anything like that, They all wanted to see me succeed at the end of the day, right? And so that is the type of people that you need to surround yourself with, whether it's in the physical world or online, for example, right? With mentors and people who create content on YouTube and things like that. Those are the people that you need to surround yourself with. Like, even if you cannot find, great and successful people in real life, well, at least you have the online, right, where you can go to and just study those people, that you have access to and where they create content. So I think that it's a really great way, to just surround yourself with better people and with better energy overall. Because at the end of the day, what matters is what's going on here. And the problem is that a lot of people get stopped because of others who hate on them. And so you need to develop a very strong mindset so that it does not affect you at the end of the day, and you are still able to push through and eventually reach your goals, Like, it's crazy how so many people don't live their life the way that they want to live it because they fear being judged, right? So for example, a lot of people that I know will not change their hair color, or they will not change their haircut, or they will not wear a certain type of cloth, or they will not come out a certain way, or say something, right, or do something a little, that is not quote-unquote common, right? And so a lot of people will not live their life the way that they want to live just because they're afraid of what other people will say. And to me, that's so crazy, it's really unfortunate, because life is amazing and you can truly get what you want out of it, and you can do amazing things if you just give yourself the power to actually do this. And so the best way to get this power is to stop caring about what other people think and just focus on yourself, right? At the end of the day, guys, it really doesn't matter, Like, you just need to come to this realization. Like, look at me right now, I'm just on my balcony, around trees, around birds, the sky, right? Just with a little coffee, having a good time recording a video for you guys. Like, do you really think I care about these people? Do you really think it matters? It really doesn't, So I'm doing this video because I remember, when I was on the come up, when I was still going to school around other people who, as I said, probably didn't have the same type of goals as I had, it was really hard to deal with this, and that's why I'm recording this video. But what I want you guys to realize is that at some point it will just not matter, If right now it's something that is bothering you, it will just be completely irrelevant in the future, You will not give a single fuck about it, because those people will never achieve anything in their life anyway, you know, so it's not important. So when you start to achieve some success, you will see that all of these haters will most likely just disappear, because they will realize that they were wrong in the first place, and they might find just, you know, something else to do with their life, you know, hopefully. So, you know, at the end of the day, you just need to really realize that, you know, people who are hating on you, they have nothing that you want anyway, right? Like, people who hate on you, they're not happy, they're not successful, they're not rich, they don't have anything, you know? So that's why they're hating, right? They don't want to take this energy and work toward their goal, because it's easier to hate on other people than to actually do the work, right? And so the people who are not hating, the people who will support you in your journey, those are the people that you want to surround yourself with, because at the end of the day, that is what matters, you know? So yeah, I think it's really just important for you guys to realize how irrelevant that is. That is personally how I dealt with this, you know? Like, when some people were hating on me, you know, when some people were laughing at what I was doing or whatever, I was just like, wow, this person is really dumb, you know? Like, I was really just like, wow, it's crazy, you know? How can you be so stupid? You know, how can you not use your brain the correct way, you know? Like, why would you spend time hating on me? Right? If you don't love what I'm doing, just unfriend me on Facebook, right? Or unfollow me or whatever it is, right? But like, why would you take your precious time that is limited, right? Because our time here on Earth is not unlimited, of course. So why would you take your time that is limited to hate on me? Like, that does not make any single sense. You cannot even properly think about this, because it's just way too crazy, you know? To me, it's mind-blowing, you know? So I was empathetic toward these people, and I was just kind of like, wow, you are really dumb, you know? You are not a competition to me, you know? Because on your road to success, you will have competition, right? Because there are other people who want to succeed, and of course, not everyone can be a millionaire, right? So you will have competition. And so when I was looking at these people, I was like, bro, you are not a competition to me. Like, you are not a problem. Like, thank you for being dumb. It allows me to potentially to become richer, you know? It's crazy, but that's the truth, you know? So at the end of the day, guys, haters are really just people, I think, who hate themselves, who hate their situation, and they're trying to project this hate toward you. They're trying to get away from this negative energy, and the only way they have found is to actually give it to other people, which is kind of sad when you really think about it, but that's how a lot of people are. So you need to learn how to deal with this and learn how to not let this affect you. And so the way to do this is, as I said, to just realize that a lot of these people are just lost in life, and they're just trying to find a way, you know? So at some point, guys, you will probably have to deal with them, but just realize that it's part of the game, you know? It's nothing big, it's nothing really to worry about. Like, at the end of the day, when you will achieve something big and when you will get to your goals, they will not be there, you know? They will not be really around you anymore anyway. So, you know, just, you know, take it as it is. Don't really give too much attention to that, and I'm telling you, it's really not that big of a deal, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's my perspective on haters. I hope that it gave you some kind of, you know, ideas or clarification about this or whatever. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like under it. I would really appreciate this, and make sure that you share this video around as well. I think it could help a lot of people. So on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.